Hello, kvCORE users. This is Annalisa, and by special request, I wanted to go over how to create a unique link of listings within your dashboard via listings here on the kvCORE dashboard, and how you can actually physically create a link of which you can leverage on advertisements, custom pages, landing pages, etc. Now, first of all, within the listings section here on kvCORE, you can actually type in MLS numbers here in this section. So say you want to do like, hey, top 10 homes with pools, or top 10 homes with yards for your pet, or something of that nature, just a fun list. You can actually either type in MLS IDs here, so I could just type in like F10117932, and then the system is going to bring up that single property, and then I can add a comma in and add more properties to keep building, or I can actually type out all of my MLS numbers. And of course, I had them all cut and pasted there real quick like, but what will happen is I have these numbers here, these F1 1017522, the F101 62356, F101 54914, and so forth. These are all listings that I want to capture on a list within my dashboard, so I can either mass email, mass text, or send via, hashtags, the email or text. So I'm just going to place those listing IDs in here and click outside. And it might take a moment for the system to catch up with me here, but it'll manifest that list almost instantaneously in front of me, so I'm seeing just those properties that I want to send people. So now I could go in and click this little top button and choose all of these, and I could say, yes, I do want to email these listings, or I want to text these listings to a specific person. Yes, I do want to send these to specific people via a hashtag, via text or email. And I can do that really easily and just send them these 5 particular listings. Now, I can also take those listings and go back to part of the anatomy of a link class that we had a little while back. We're just going to revisit that and how to create one of these links that will point people to specific listing results only. So it's like we're taking these 5 listings and we're saying, here they are. We're going to send this out as a, maybe it's something that we put out via, an ad on Facebook, Google, what have you. So when people go to this link, they're only going to see these 5 properties as a tease. Then, of course, they can always go in and adjust accordingly. What you can do is you take your agent domain, or if you're a broker or a team, you would take your domain, and always make sure you're grabbing the HTTPS and the double / and that N / are coming with you. So always have your entire, your name.brokerage-name.com with you. So paste that down on a sheet in front of you, or a Word document, or what have you. Now, directly after this, you are going to add in index.php and then a question mark. So it should look just like this. Right after that question mark, you're going to add in MLS IDs, so IDS equals. So you can see we're kind of creating this string of information that's going to grab specific details by adding these additional components. Now we can actually add in our MLS IDs. So here's an example that I did earlier for a different class. You can see it has my domain, index.php, MLS IDs equal, and then those 2 specific MLS numbers. And then as soon as I have all of my MLS numbers added here, I add in the little hashtag RSLT at the very end. So it's going to look like this. So in this particular example here for Tammy Jenkins, we have Tammy Jenkins at locationre.com. We got the index.php, the question mark, MLS ID equals, and then I put in her 5 MLS IDs and ended it with the hashtag RSLT. And when we go to this link, it takes us to those 5 specific listings. So that's how you can easily create a listing just by creating your own like anatomy of a link here to specific listings, as well as going into your kvCORE dashboard and dropping in a single listing, 3 listings, 4 listings, 5 listings, how many you want to put in there, and then using your little buttons to choose how you want to send it out and who you want to send it out to. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.